What do you swear you saw but don't have any proof of? I was having a secret smoke one night, and when I was finished, I went to put the ashtray in my hiding place on the top of a high cupboard in my kitchen. Instead of getting the footstool, I was on my tiptoes and stretching up to put the ashtray up there when I lost my balance, and the ashtray slipped out of my fingers and fell to the floor. I ducked out of the way so I didn't get covered in ash or get hit by the heavy glass ashtray, and I heard it hit the ground behind me loudly and then clatter as it rolled. I sighed as I knew I'd have to clean up ash from the floor and was annoyed at myself for being clumsy. But then when I turned around to where I had heard it land, there was nothing there. I honestly spent about 30 minutes looking all over that kitchen for the ashtray or even a trace of ash on the floor, but there was nothing. Even its contents had simply vanished into thin air. I went to bed freaked out that night and had another look the next morning, but it was still gone, and I've never seen it again since.